Hi, my name is Paul Stork, and I've got a couple of questions for you. Do you make use of all of the applications in the App Launcher in Office 365? Do people at your organization wonder whether they should share external content using SharePoint sites, or Office 365 groups, or Microsoft Teams, or OneDrive for Business? Would you like to be able to roll out applications as they are delivered by Microsoft in a more controlled fashion so that people can start to learn to use all of the advantages of Office 365 better? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you should come visit me at SharePoint Fest in Chicago in December and attend my half-day workshop on Office 365 feature explosion. What should you be using? Hope to see you there.